Hi guys, and welcome back to Basics with Tony. This week's video is going to be showing you how to groom your eyebrows. So before I go in with the tweezers, I just brush out my hair so that I know exactly where to go with my tweezers. Just following the natural line of my brows. Thankfully, my brows don't really grow crazy, so it's just a bit of excess around the natural shape I already have. But for those that do have eyebrows that grow a bit mad, just the spoolie helps you create that shape that you are looking for. So yay, spoolie! I'm now tweezing the top of my eyebrows. I just keep going back and forth with the spoolie to make sure I don't make any mistakes, because believe me, I have. It's taken a while to get here. And then now going in with the scissors just to trim extra long hairs. And just making sure I've done everything correctly and it lays right. I go with the spoolie, and then now I'm going in with a clear eyebrow gel. Just laying their hairs down flat, making it easier for when I start doing my brows. And I go back in just to trim and do final touch-ups. Before I begin doing my brow with the Revolution Brow Duo Definer, I think that's what it's called, but it's the eyebrow pencil. So I'm just laying down my brows while the gel is still wet, so that it's absolutely flat against my face. Before I start my brow routine. Now, I don't usually use eyebrow pencils, I prefer pomades, but I have been enjoying using this eyebrow pencil because it doesn't scratch. So here I'm back with my pomade, and I'm just going to fill in my brows wherever there's any gaps so that my brows don't look patchy in the end. And now I'm just blending it all in with the spoolie. Now I'm going to conceal. I use the darker side first, just because I'm going for more of a natural look than I was in my previous brow video, which I will link. Before I go into the lighter colour at the bottom, just to create sort of the highlighting effect. So I hope this has been helpful. I know it's sort of a quick view of how I do it, but I'm sure you don't want to watch a real-time video of me doing my eyebrows. So let me know down below if you enjoyed the video, and please come back next time to learn a few of my tips and tricks. And don't forget to subscribe. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye.